Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a free shipping progress bar to your Shopify cart. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, click the search bar, choose Apps, and search for Free Shipping Bar. From the results, open Hexstum Free Shipping Bar and click Install. Follow the installation prompts and grant the required permissions until you're taken to the app dashboard. Once inside the app, click Create New Bar. You'll see several ready-made templates along with a live preview on the right side of the screen. Browse through the available layouts and choose the one that best matches your store's design. Give your progress bar a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later if you create multiple campaigns. Next, enter your free shipping goal. This is the minimum order amount customers need to qualify for free shipping. Choose an amount that makes sense for your business and helps increase your average order value without discouraging purchases. Now customize the messages shown to customers. Create an initial message that invites shoppers to start adding products to their cart. Then customize the progress message, which automatically updates as the cart total increases. Finally, edit the success message that appears once the customer qualifies for free shipping. A clear and friendly message can encourage customers to complete their purchase. Next, customize the appearance of the progress bar. Adjust the font style, font size, padding, colors, and background to match your branding. You can also enable rounded corners and choose between a solid color, gradient, image, or patterned background. If you want the bar to attract a little more attention, enable one of the built-in animation effects. After that, configure your currency settings. Select your store currency, choose the correct currency symbol, and enable automatic currency conversion if your store serves customers in multiple countries. This helps ensure shoppers always see accurate progress toward the free shipping goal. Now decide where the progress bar should appear. You can display it at the top or bottom of the page depending on your preference. If you're running a limited time promotion, you can also schedule when the bar should automatically appear and disappear. There are also targeting options that let you display the bar only on certain pages or for specific visitors if needed. Once you've finished customizing everything, click Save. Now head back to your Shopify admin and select Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, click the App Embeds icon on the left side. Search for the Hexstum Free Shipping Bar embed and turn the toggle on. The store preview will refresh, allowing you to confirm the progress bar appears correctly. Take a few moments to test it by adding products to your cart. Watch the message update automatically as the cart total increases. Once the free shipping amount is reached, the success message should appear exactly as you configured it. Testing everything before going live helps ensure customers have the best possible shopping experience. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Save in the theme editor to publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a free shipping progress bar to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.